Hi, I'm Los Angeles City Councilmember Mitch O'Farrell, representing the 13th District. Welcome to Barnsdall Art Park, which is the proud home of Frank Lloyd Wright's beloved Hollyhock House, the first and only UNESCO World Heritage Site in all of Los Angeles. The home that you see today has been owned by the city since 1927, and in recent years was meticulously restored, faithfully returning this cultural masterpiece to its former glory. When the work was completed in 2015, Hollyhock House welcomed visitors once again for a special 24-hour grand reopening. And it was an event with lines wrapping around the block at all hours of that day. The restoration also paved the way for Hollyhock House's UNESCO World Heritage Site designation in 2019, just one of 8 Frank Lloyd Wright homes that received this international distinction. Our collective work to restore this landmark and the entire campus for future Angelenos to appreciate continues. This city-owned site includes not only Hollyhock House, but other important and historic structures designed by Wright and fellow modernist architects. There's a vibrant contemporary art gallery, a theater, and an art center hosting classes for youth and adults. Sunsets here on the West Lawn are enjoyed by locals and visitors from all over the world in Barnsdall Art Park. It is clear why Los Angeles inspired both Aline Barnsdall and her architect, Frank Lloyd Wright. With views that include the Hollywood Hills and the Pacific Ocean, this cultural center is one of our city's premier destinations. I hope you enjoy, and don't miss out on the tours of Hollyhock House. The interiors are amazing.